Yes. So officially, good evening to all of you. In my
Good evening, ma'am.
session, today is a special day with the Purnima, and in this special day, we are starting our vocabulary session also. Why? Why we are attending vocabulary? Yes. First, yes. First, tell me, introduce myself, dear. My name is Preeti Srivastava, one of the grammar coach at this platform. And today we will discuss something amazing and beautiful vocabulary which you use in your daily conversation here. It's a very, very amazing vocabulary here. Today is also. So now, first tell me what I'm asking. Acha, who is joining first time? Okay. So tell me what is the rules of the vocabulary? What is the fundamental of the vocabulary? Anyone knows? Yes, Kirti. Yes, Kirti.
No, today is my first day, ma'am. That's why I'm just.
Okay. Okay. That's
Yeah.
technique. Acha. Anyone? Yes, Nirmala, Ethel, Ronnie. Yes. What is the basic rule of the vocabulary? Memorize.
Visualization.
V3.
Okay.
V3 technique. V3 technique. Visualization,
V3 technique.
verbalization, and
We follow.
vitalization.
IDQ follow V3 technique, dear.
V technique.
V3 technique. Got it. Okay, everyone. What is the V3 technique? First tell me.
Visualization.
Verbalization and vitalization.
See, Subrata. You told, huh? So now, one by one, yes, we will start. Kapil, what is the meaning of visualization, dear? Yes.
We can see without watching, we can visualize the things.
Yes.
For example, let's I say Himalaya. So that big. Hello, can I audible, ma'am?
Your voice is not clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now I am audible, ma'am.
Imaginary creation.
Yes. So give a example visualization. What do you understand by this word?
Okay. Just example, ma'am. Let's say bus. So no need to show pig. So just say by saying.
Take it easy. Take the time and speak. Don't
Hello,
fumble.
ma'am.
Yes. Now.
Now can I audible now?
Whenever you speak
Yes.
in a very confident, very in conviction way. Okay. Don't be hesitate.
Okay.
Don't be fumble. We all are same at this platform. Okay.
Okay.
First,
Yes,
be
is it
relaxed.
I'm audible now?
Yes. Now you are audible.
Yes, sir, you are
Okay.
audible.
Yeah, I will say, ma'am, example of visualization. Like just say like Himalaya. When I say Himalaya, so no need to show the picture. So everyone can visualize the what is Himalaya.
When we speak, when you say hot, I feel
Yeah.
hot. So you feel that word. You have to resonate that words surrounding yourself. Am I right, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Second technique is, who will tell?
Verbalization.
Verbalization.
Who is first time joining? That's okay. Only I'm asking for those person who is first time. Yes, Sonali. V2. What did you say? Second technique. Verbalization. Okay.
Yes. The act of expressing
No,
thought feelings.
Ethel, Ronnie, Ethel, please wait here. Okay, because they are the first time, no? That's why I'm asking. Okay. You all know, you and Nirmala and many person know, I think, na? Marjana is also here first time, I think. Sharita. Sonali, yes, you tell me, dear. Sonali.
It's verbalization.
Verbalization. Why it is need? Why it is important? Verbalization.
What we speak, that is important.
What we speak?
That the word that we use in the sentence, that is the main important part of that.
Okay. तो हम तो ऐसे भी पढ़ते हैं, जैसे हमने कोई चीज देखा तो लाइक वैसे ऐसे देखा मैंने उसको why we are saying, every coaches are saying verbalization, yani whenever you speak, whenever you read anything, read aloud. Why we are saying? Who is giving proper answer? Who is giving? Who will? Yes, Rajesh, Shoni, Naveen, please switch on your camera. Bipin, again I'm telling you, switch on your camera. Yes, Marjana, you know?
Wha-
Sharita, could you tell me, dear? Why it is necessary to read anything in this, any language, not only for English language, any language, if you want to learn, then you have to read aloud. Why?
It comes in your normal means that memory, it comes in your memory.
Okay. You
Check.
want to say it is
The
registered, no?
word.
Actually,
Brain-
we, ma'am, may I say something?
Who is
Me.
saying? Acha, okay, yes,
I am.
Subrata. Yes.
Actually, verbalization is needed to register that word in our memory, because
Memory.
we have to keep that before vitalization. We have to memorize. We have to register that word in our brain. Otherwise, we cannot retrieve it. If we can, first step is we have to register that word in our memory, and when we go for vitalization part, then
No,
we
I'm
have
not
to
asking for
retrieve.
vitalization. I'm asking for verbalization. Why it is
Verbalization is
because
required
our
for to
brain
register that.
yes, it is registered in our brain. Right brain will activate, left brain will activate, and our brain will familiar that words. जब आप बोल के कोई चीज याद करते हो ना, तो वो हमारा जो ब्रेन होता है ना, उसे रजिस्टर करता है, अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड हमारा उसे कैच करता है. Am I right, Patil? Are you
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके? सो दैट्स वाई ना. अच्छा, जब हम लोग, हमारे जब बच्चे छोटे होते थे, तो हम लोग उनसे बोलते थे ना कि याद करो, इफ एनीथिंग यू वांट टू लर्न, बोल बोल के याद करो, बैठ के पढ़ो. तो दैट इज अ लॉजिक ना बिहाइंड दिस. So that's why we are saying. So verbalization is a very important. First, to register the word will be registered into your brain. Second, your pronunciation will improve. Your pronunciation will improve, dear. आप नोटिस करो, आप दैट टाइम. अच्छा, हाउ मेनी आप यू प्रैक्टिस टंग ट्विस्टर आल्सो, डियर? टंग ट्विस्टर आप सब लोग यूज कर रहे हो अपने अपने सेशन में? आप देखो, जब आप टंग ट्विस्टर यूज करते हो, व्हेन यू यूज टंग ट्विस्टर ना, तो फर्स्ट टाइम योर प्रोनाउंसिएशन विल समथिंग here and there wrong, something, and then after second time you will get some improvement, and third time you will read very fast.
Sir,
Am I right, everyone?
ma'am, what any tongue twister you have given?
Yes, Naveen?
Tongue twister you have given?
No, I'm not giving you. Your fluency coach will give you.
Okay.
I think they will practice. But if you want to, then I'm also show the tongue twister. Then we will discuss. Okay, then you will pronounce. Acha, yes, Rajesh, Soni, Bipin. Okay, yes. What I'm asking, yes. Second is a verbalization. Then clear why verbalization is also important. Our vocabulary, our IDQ, vocabulary session follow the three techniques, follow the three rules: visualization, verbalization, then vitalization. Acha, what is the vitalization? First tell me, Patil, Sarita, Falguni Rai.
Process of giving life energy, like
Yes.
process of giving energy, life, filled with new vitality, like that. No. In a vocabulary, vitalization is something different. That is the meaning is something different. Yes. Who is Sarita? Then I'm asking to Naveen. Naveen, you know why?
What is again? Please repeat this.
What is a this is the first time?
No, not first time. I have missed actually 2-3 classes last time.
Okay. No, that is I think that is a basic rules of the vocabulary. That's why I'm asking. What are they first? Visualization, verbalization, and vitalization. So what?
Visualization, verbalization, and vitalization.
vitalization. Shashi Shekhar, could you tell me what is the meaning of vitalization? Sarita, again I'm asking you. If you know, then tell me.
Visualize
Verbalization.
करो, verbalization
Vitalization.
करो, verbal
No,
करो और
no,
vitalization.
no. That is, you can also like this. Everyone. Yes, yes. Lakshmi Desai, you tell me anything. Kapil. Rajesh Soni, you want to say?
Like that.
Ma'am, may I?
Who is? Nirmala.
Yes, ma'am, me.
Acha, Sarika. Yes, yes.
Yes. Ma'am, vitalization means consistency of words.
Consistency of
No.
word. Okay. What about other? Ranjit.
Synonyms.
Acha, yes.
Regular practice and regular uses this word.
No. Verbalization में आ
That's
गया.
the answer
Visualize
of
किसी चीज को
vitalization.
visualize किया, फिर verbal किया, फिर vitalization.
First,
No.
clear your concept. What is a
Yeah.
vitalization? What is a vitalization? Anyone can tell me? Yes, Subhangi Tomar. Subhangi, you want to say something dear? If you know. Acha, anyone knows, please tell me. What is a vitalization?
Vitalization is, madam,
Act of
Yes.
making something full of life.
Yes. Ethel?
Yes, act of making something full of life.
Okay. Subhangi, you want to say?
Once you visualize it, you have verbalized it, then you require to like your pronunciation should be very clear that it could it should have some meaning. It
No.
should give some life to it.
Okay, now let me explain here. Vitalization. Anyone try? Anyone? Yeah, Aruna? If anyone
Vitalization,
will try.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Nirmala.
Ma'am,
The
may I?
vitalization means we are using the any kind of sentence or word, the daily routine our speak after verbalization, daily routine using this word, that's called the vitalization.
Vitalization
Yes.
means dear. Yes, Subrata. Not got it. Arunima. No, Gagan.
Gagan.
Got it. What is the meaning of Patil? Vitalization.
Vitalization
May
means,
I write?
Falguni, who is?
yes, ma'am, Gagan.
Yes, Gagan.
Regarding the process of the state, like infusing the in the energy, something with energy and vigor.
एक second. You are okay, but in this vocabulary, says vitalization meaning is a different here. Whatever something that is related to our health. Okay, but I'm asking for what is the exact meaning of the vitalization in this vocabulary session. That is the meaning. Vitalization, whatever you learn, any word, that is it could be a phrasal verb. It could be any word.
Any kind of word.
Yes, any kind of verb. Then you should have to make the sentence in your surrounding, related to your surrounding. ऐसा नहीं है आपने कोई आज word देखा तो आप किसी के मतलब होता नहीं, जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं हम लोग when we learn tense, तो हम tense में क्या बनाते हैं? When we learn तो हम टेंस में क्या करते हैं? वह जाता है, राम खाता है, कौन सोता है, likewise
ing form, verb form,
okay,
have,
that
has.
is na. So अब now if you learn tenses in that platform na, at this platform na, then you have to frame your sentences surrounding yourself, related to yourself. Whatever you are doing, आपको अपने से रिलेटेड आपको वो सेंटेंस फ्रेम करने होंगे, अपने सिचुएशन से रिलेटेड,
अपने सिचुएशन यूज करने होंगे उनको.
यस, आपके सराउंडिंग से रिलेटेड, ऑफिशियल सिचुएशन ले लो, पर्सनल सिचुएशन ले लो, एनीथिंग यू कैन. whenever you frame the sentence will be related to your surrounding, not other. तो जब आप when you resonate your that words in your personal life, then what will happen? तो क्या होता है उस समय? तो ये
उस वर्ड को एक्टिव करना पड़ेगा, बहुत लाइवली एकदम.
तो वो वर्ड जो होता है ना, वो बहुत जल्दी हमें रिकॉल होता है, मेमोराइज होता है. Are you getting my point? Why?
Yes.
Why we are saying virtualization is also very, very important. 3 tricks are very, very important. Now I'm going to, so first, shall we start our session? Yeah, you want to?
No, session, please start.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Chalo. Yes. What is the?
Please start the
Yes.
session, ma'am.
Session. So now today we are going to एक second. Let me show my slide. Then we will discuss. So dear, if you want to become my question is why we are learning a vocabulary. चलो first tell me. अच्छा ये तो क्वेश्चन सबको ही पता होगा ना. Why we are learning a vocabulary session? You are attending every Friday at 9 p.m. this session. Why? Why we are learning?
Spices to the sentence.
Learn the new
Express
word.
your thought. Yes, okay. Okay, Nirmala. What about Naveen? Kapil?
Yes,
Learn
ma'am.
more new words.
Okay, great. Wait, Nirmala. Yes, new words. Okay. Other
Without
add something.
Upgrade to need vocabulary.
Yes, Sarita. One by one. Yes.
We need to upgrade ourselves.
You need to upgrade yourself. Okay. Sarika.
Yes, ma'am. I have told.
Acha. Yes, Sonali.
ma'am, without the vocabulary, how can we make the sentence?
Yes, Ranjit.
Without the vocabulary, we are not able to make the sentence.
Your voice is cracking. That's why I'm not getting your exact word.
Without vocabulary, ma'am, we are not able to make any sentence.
Okay. Without vocabulary, you are not able to make any sentences you want to say. Okay? Okay. Yes, Kapil. Naveen, according to you.
Yes, before we start any language, without vocabulary learning, it is not possible to speak any language.
Okay. Yes. Other?
Ma'am, it makes the language so beautifully.
Advanced level.
Yes, ma'am.
Sonali? Yes, Sonali?
You strengthen
for
our
effective
sentence.
communication.
Yes, Sonali. It gives
Strength to our sentence and explain it better.
Okay. Shashi Shekhar? Aruna?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, spices to the sentence.
Yes, you have to interact more. Don't think, ma'am will come and ma'am will only teach everything and I will only listen. No, everyone will have to participate in our vocabulary session. You know very well, Nirmala and Ethel Roni. I want to participate each and every.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So because I want make your practice here. More you will practice, then more you will. Yes, Aruna.
Learn more, grow more.
Yes, ma'am. It gives spices to the sentences.
Yes.
It gives spices to the sentences.
Okay. Yes. Any other? Shashi Shekhar, Falguni, you want to add something?
For effective communication, ma'am.
Refers to collection of words and phrases to express.
Gagan, you want to say? Patil?
Yes.
Ma'am, for effective communication.
For effective communication, great.
Yes,
I want to see now how many ideas came into your mind. That's why I'm asking. Yes, Arun, Patil.
Ma'am, yes, I.
Yes, Gagan, tell me.
If there is the words is coming there, everybody has related the words, the lot of ideas so that we can communicate more. That is the way.
Okay, great. Yes, Patil. First, dear, you can also add some more thing also.
Vocabulary is like a mental dictionary which helps to communicate effectively.
Who is saying? Naveen. Okay, you told. Okay, good, great. So first, if you want to impress your audience, dear, if you want to impress your audience, who will audience? Who will be
front of
Yes,
front of listener.
First, Naren, Kishan, Ankur Sharma, please, Shubhangi and Vipin, if you are, please, this is my humble request. Please interact. Please
Yes.
switch on your camera, dear, and interact in our session. Yes, what I'm asking, yes, if you want to impress your audience, who is the audience? Who will be your
Excuse
audience?
me, ma'am.
With
Excuse me,
with
ma'am,
whom
Shubhangi
with
here.
whom we
Our
are
listener in
speaking?
the front of people.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Subhangi.
Yes, with whom
Actually, I
we
have
are
a flight
speaking?
to catch. I'm on my way, so just listening to you. I'm not interacting for a while.
To whom
Will
we
it be okay?
communicate.
Okay. Yes.
To
With
whom
whom we are
we
speaking?
communicate is
Okay.
our audience.
If you are working in a IT sector, yeah, any other sector, who is your audience? Who will be your audience?
With whom we
Our
are
colleague, boss,
working?
friends,
Your colleagues, your
family.
Yes, colleagues
family.
working with
teacher.
whom we are
Okay.
working and
If
colleagues.
you are being a parent, who is your audience?
Ma'am,
Our
teachers,
children, families,
That is a.
our
If you
family's teacher,
your family, if being a parents, being a family member, who is
children.
your audience? Who will be your audience? Your family member, your spouse, your relatives, your friend circle will be the audience.
Society.
If you are
Yeah.
a teacher, who will be your audience?
Students.
Ma'am,
Children,
students, parents.
Students, parents.
Parents.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yeah.
if you want to impress your audience, then you should have to enrich your vocabulary, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? If you want to impress, if you want to make your gargantuan personality,
Yeah.
but first you have
Communicate
to
styles.
speak. ऐसा ना हो कि
But
एडवांस
ma'am,
vocabulary के चक्कर
let
में
me tell you
आप
main
बोलना ही
thing.
नहीं.
Hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
Kishan. Yes, Kishan.
If you want to speak any kind of language, you want to must learn vocab. Then you will definitely speak.
Yes, you will
Impression and
definitely.
all the things, I think it's a second part. It's a part also, but it's a second part. But if you want to speak any kind of language, you need to learn vocab. Then you will
अच्छा,
speak.
you want अच्छा, you do you think, Kishan, you don't have a vocabulary?
Right now, nothing. Because
Right. I have, but still we are not able to be.
Yeah, still we are not able to affect you.
Why? Why? What is
If
the
we
main
learn,
reason behind this? Yes, everyone. So my question is, dear, we have a vocabulary, but we hesitate more. LKK factor we have.
yes,
लोग
that's right.
क्या कहेंगे? समझ में आ रहा है? We have a vocabulary.
Yes.
हमारे पास simple and smart vocabulary है, but we never use that type of vocabulary.
Sorry, ma'am.
Are you getting my point? First, you have to use that. कहते हैं ना, vocabulary is a good. Vocabulary is enrich your vocabulary gives a smarter. You will feel smart, more smart when you use advanced vocabulary, dear. But the point is, how many advanced vocab you use? That point is. And main things, if you hesitate, if you never speak, which most of time now I have seen many people now, they have a many vocabulary, advanced vocabulary, but still they are fumbling while speaking. Have you noticed? कभी आपने नोटिस किया है? हमारे पास वर्ड तो हैं, दिमाग में है, मुंह में है, बट मुंह से नहीं निकलता. So need a consistency, need a practice.
Practice.
Okay? Practice. First think and speak. मतलब जो भी है, without मतलब ये thinking LKK, remove your all the kachra from your right brain.
Mind.
Activate your brain and whatever, I don't care. Whatever I know, I have to speak. Okay? मुझे जो हम जानते हैं वो तो हमें बोलना ही बोलना है. ठीक है? तो हमारा जो रूल्स है वो आपको याद है ना? Fluency is a quantity. Fluency is a quantity, not a quality. First, you have to focus quantity level. Then you have to add colorful. Yani quality.
Like grammar.
Advanced vocabulary.
Grammar, vocabulary.
Everything is important. Fluency is important. Grammar is important. Vocabulary is also important. Okay. But first आपको focus किस पे करना है? Quantity पे. Quantity पे. Quantity. Whatever you have a vocabulary, whatever you have a simple and smart vocabulary, you have to speak in your surrounding. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
आप अगर एक बच्चे से भी बात कर रहे हो ना, तो उसी से बोलना शुरुआत करो, वर्ड्स में नहीं, सेंटेंस में. ओके. आपके फैमिली मेंबर हैं, आपके जो भी कलीग्स हैं, आप उनको सेंटेंस में सिंपल तो बोलो. देन यू नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू स्पीक सेम सेंटेंस यू ऐड सम एडवांस वोकैबुलरी, बट यू हैव टू practice and practice makes a man perfect. Okay dear, and today we are going to give you 5 amazing vocabulary. It will very helpful for your daily conversation here. Okay, so no doubt in this. Also we use. Okay, so yes, Patil, could you read this first?
Leverage, the ability to use something to maximum advantage.
First tell me only this word.
Leverage.
Okay. Any other? Gagan?
Leverage.
Leverage नहीं. Okay.
Leverage.
Okay.
Leverage.
What does it mean? Read this because I want to listen to your pronunciation. That's why. Then after I will explain. Yes.
Leverage.
Yes.
Leverage.
Everyone pronounce.
Leverage, ma'am. Leverage. It's leverage.
What is the meaning of this? Leverage words?
The ability to use something to maximum advantage.
The ability to use something, किसी चीज का मतलब उस चीज को यूज इतना मैक्सिमम लेवल पे उसका एडवांटेज लेना, उसको यूज करके. ओके. यू अच्छा first I explain, then you all have to make one sentences. Okay. Write down. Okay. Yes. Leverage as a verb. How could you use? You can see on the screen there. Verb. We should leverage our strength to succeed. One by one, I want to listen. Yes. Kirti, you want to say something dear? You raise your hand.
मैम ये ठीक से समझ में नहीं आया मैम leverage.
Yes, Kishan.
Can you give me more?
Yes,
ठीक
I'm
से समझ
giving
नहीं
you.
आया तो.
Wait, Kishan. अभी तो starting ही किया मैंने. First, wait. Leverage. Yes, Kirti, you want to say something?
No, ma'am, no.
You're raising your hand, that's why I'm asking.
No, ma'am, no.
Okay, read this one. Verb. As a verb, when you use...
Leverage our strengths to succeed.
Leverage.
No. Verb. As a verb, what is written on the screen?
We should leverage our strengths to succeed.
Anyone can explain this line? Sonali, you want to explain? We should leverage our strength. हमें अपने strength. What is the meaning? Yes, Nirmala, you want to say?
Strength means power.
नहीं, जो हमारी जो strength है
Stamina, boost.
Okay. We should leverage our strength. हमें to succeed. Maximum उसे utilize करके उसका maximum benefit लेना. To succeed, सफल होने के लिए. What is the meaning of succeed here? Yes.
Success.
What is the meaning of Patil?
Success. Success to quickly found.
No, ma'am, to achieve something.
Yes, Ranjit.
To achieve success, something. Succeed means.
First, don't be confused. Naveen, you want to say?
Yes, yeah. Ma'am, we can say that type also. We should use we should use our strength to succeed.
Yes, you should have.
Yes, you should
First
have.
ना, first जैसे अभी नवीन ने एक सेंटेंस फ्रेम किया ना, we should maximum, और उन्होंने मैक्सिमम लिवरेज को आप मैक्सिमम से आप कर सकते हो कोरिलेट. जैसे अभी फर्स्ट जब आप कोई भी whenever you make the sentence ना, फर्स्ट आप ना ट्राई करो सिंपल सेंटेंस के साथ.
Yes.
अपने सेंटेंस को फ्रेम करो सिंपल वर्ड्स के साथ. देन आफ्टर you have to remove that simple words and you have to add that advanced word.
May I?
Yes.
Yes. I use my experience to leverage a better opportunity.
Wow. Wonderful, dear. Very good. Now I'm giving you one by one to everyone chances. Okay. So for framing the sentence, first tell me. Yes. Who is? Yes. Gagan. Read noun. As a noun, when you use as a leverage, you can use as a verb, as a noun, as an adjective. You can see on the screen. Okay. So Gagan, read this as a noun. When you use as a noun, what is written on the screen?
His experience gave him leverage in negotiations.
His experience gave him leverage in negotiation. In this sentence, leverage is as a noun we use. So always remember, dear, leverage को हम एक verb के रूप में भी use कर सकते हैं. As a verb, we can use. As a noun, we can use. Adjective also we can use. Yes, Falguni, read the sentence, dear. Don't write it.
My good speaking skills gives me leverage in any discussion.
Yes. In
My
this
good
sentence,
speaking-
leverage is a what? Leverage क्या है?
DQ class.
Now it is what?
Leverage to speak English.
This is a verb.
No. It will be fitting here only, no?
Yes.
No, madam, I think this is verb.
Anyone? Others? Tell
Speaking
me.
skill.
My good speaking skills gives me a leverage in any discussion.
Maximum leverage to speak English. Yes,
Well
ma'am.
tried. Falguni, well tried.
Ma'am.
What is your name?
Ma'am.
Falguni Roy. That is your name?
Yes.
Okay.
Arjuna's 100th name was Falguni.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Arjuna was 100th name.
Okay.
100 names.
Okay.
And the 100th name was Falguni.
One of the
He
names.
married Uttara.
Yes, Gagan?
Yes, ma'am. Leverage. That is the what is it is whatever that said the leverage. It is the adjective, I think.
Adjective. She took a leveraged approach to investing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Can I
he's
speak?
correct. He's correct.
Who is saying?
Yes, I
Patil.
am Naveen.
Naveen, tell me.
Can we speak like this? IDQ classes gave me maximum leverage to speak English.
Maximum leverage. When you use leverage, then it is not need.
No, not maximum.
Ah.
IDQ classes gave me leverage to speak English.
Yes.
Is it right?
Yes. Any other? Everyone have to framing one sentences.
Ma'am, we can use the leverage technology to save the time.
Yes. Good.
She took a leveraged strategic approach.
Acha, who is saying I'm not getting clear? Yes, who is saying there is?
Yeah, Ranjit.
Yes, Rajesh Soni and Narendra. Marjana. Kishan. Please make a one sentence, dear, fast and revised. What?
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Did I
Ma'am,
tell
I am
you?
Ujjwal. Hello. I am Ujjwal.
Vitalization, always remember vitalization. Whatever you are framing the sentence, your sentence will be surrounding in yourself. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello,
yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
I am Ujjwal. Ma'am, I am Ujjwal from Howrah.
Okay, Ujjwal, बताइए.
Yes, ma'am. I am late in the meeting because I am not in the home. I am go to elsewhere with my family. That's why I came in late.
It's okay, dear. Abhi just it is starting. Okay, don't worry.
Please,
That is the first word.
please, can you tell me repeat again?
Acha, you want to listen leverage meaning? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The Patil, please tell me what is the meaning of leverage, dear?
The ability to use something to maximum advantage.
Maximum advantage.
किसी चीज से maximum आप advantage ले रहे हो. वाह, अच्छा.
Advantage ले रहा हो. I wanted to get a maximum advantage.
Yes.
May I correct, ma'am?
What are you saying?
Actually, I mean to say I want to get a maximum benefit.
I want to data for maximum benefit. Okay. But
no, I mean to say, ma'am, leverage means I want to get a maximum advantage.
हाँ, yes. आपको मैक्सिमम किसी चीज का मतलब जैसे आप डाटा कलेक्ट कर रहे हो तो वाई यू मतलब एक मैक्सिमम एडवांटेज के लिए कर रहे हो ना.
Yes.
Why you are taking the vocabulary session?
To heighten the knowledge of the new words.
Okay.
To heighten the knowledge of the new words.
Yes, right. To heighten the knowledge of the new words. That is a good. Yes. Any other? Try to. Sarika, you are silent here. Frame one sentence. Leverage.
May I try?
Yes. Leverage.
Yes, I can leverage our social media to increase our knowledge.
I can
leverage our social media.
Right. Good. Yes.
Hello, ma'am. May
Yes. Yes. Try.
Ma'am, I have made it as a noun. Leverage is a big thing if we use our unused power.
If we use
our unused power.
Unused power.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you want to say? Exactly.
Ma'am, in our minds there is a reservoir of unused power we use or we don't use.
It's maximum.
So we use, yes, ma'am. We should use the unused power for doing anything.
Okay.
Maximum use of our inner strength, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I tell you?
Maximum use of our inner strength.
If you want to memorize any sentence, any words, framing a simple sentence, dear.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
I
should leverage my Wi-Fi, college Wi-Fi to get good internet speed.
Yes, great.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay. Yes. Everyone, please say. Subarta, don't sit silent here. Use.
Hello.
Yes.
My present company equipment award certificate is leveraged to scheme for a better company.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am. Yes. Right.
Because of my teaching, extraordinary teaching skills, I get leverage in getting appraisals.
You get leverage?
In getting appraisals.
In getting, 2 times you are using get.
Appraisals.
No. Before appraisal, what you are using?
Leverage.
Getting?
No. Because of my extraordinary teaching skills,
okay,
I am getting leverage in. हाँ, मैंने 2 बार बोला ना. I'm getting leverage in appraisals.
My father experience gave me leverage.
We are being leveraged. We are being leveraged to get the confidence of speaking English after joining IDQ platform.
After joining IDQ platform, dear?
We are being leveraged.
My father's experience.
Passive form.
Ma'am, may I tell you? Ma'am, may I tell you?
Yes, right.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, may I tell you?
Ha.
Ma'am, I want to leverage on my investment. I want to get leverage on my investment.
Yes, right. Now this is right.
Ma'am, I leveraged my experience to secure a better job.
You leverage what? I leverage what? Secure
My
job?
experience to secure a better job.
My father's experience gave me leverage to negotiate in our
management takes leverage of skilled person in the company.
to strength of negotiating.
Management what?
Management takes leverage of skilled persons in the company.
Yes, right. Yes, Naveen, you want to say?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Madam, my father experience gave me leverage to negotiate in our business.
Wonderful. Yes?
Ma'am, human beings take leverage of natural resources.
Human beings?
Take leverage of natural resources.
Yes. Kapil, why you are silent here?
May I
Hello,
got
ma'am.
Yes, Ethel.
Yeah, I got leverage getting more fruits and vegetables from my terrace garden.
Okay, great. Yes, Kapil.
I should leverage my earphones to avoid the disturbances.
But your earphone will give other person disturbance. Your voice is not clear. Okay, Lakshmi.
My son is
Well tried, Kapil. Right.
My son is taking leverage of mine to make his work done.
Rohini. Gagan. Why you are make the sentence related to your surrounding.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes. I want to listen to everyone. Falguni also.
I want to leverage boost of my communication skill.
Wow.
I leveraged my experience to secure a better job.
I leverage
my experience to secure a better job.
Yes. Great.
Yes.
Any other? Then
we should leverage the time to speak English.
We should leverage
the time to speak English.
We should
No.
leverage.
No, it is not correct.
Correct the sentence. Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to say, dear?
I told ma'am.
I
have many plants. I have many plants just like flowers, fruits on my rooftop to get leverage from there.
What did you say, dear?
We got leverage.
I have many trees just like flowers, fruits.
One by one.
Speak English.
May I telling you?
Yes. Tell me.
I have many trees on my rooftops to leverage from there.
Okay.
I have many trees just like fruits, flowers on my rooftop to leverage from there.
Yes. That is a leverage to your farm. Okay.
Just like I want to
leverage my time to a better way.
From there.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I want to say just I want to get something from there.
I can understand. Yes, I'm
Yes,
getting.
absolutely right.
Yes, now moving for the next word. Okay.
Nice.
Well. Please. Give also. You will get the homework. Don't worry. Everyone. Okay. Now. No. What is our? Yes.
Resonate.
I use this word. Today I use this word. Who will read? Who will? Rohini will read.
Resonate to produce a deep, full, or meaningful effect.
Resonate.
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 Yes, resonate. What is the meaning of resonate? To produce a deep. Asha, read this. Sorry, Sarika, read this.
Resonate.
Yes.
Resonate to produce a deep, full, or meaningful effect.
A deep, full, meaningful effect.
Full and
What do you
meaningful.
understand by this line?
To produce a deep, full.
To produce a deep, full, or meaningful effect.
रेजोनेट करना उसको मतलब किसी भी मैंने इसे वर्ड को यूज भी किया
adjective adjust করে নিচ্ছি
please
resonated
mute
with the
everyone
audience. That
verb
speech.
पहले तो मुझे इसका मतलब से आपको is it clear to everyone to produce a deep
full or meaningful effect.
Ma'am, actually, I mean to say, ma'am, hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, clear करना.
Ma'am, actually, I mean to say it's a echoing sound.
Echoing. What do you mean by your echoing?
That means resonate means is বাংলা যে বলতে আছে যে প্রতিধ্বনি হচ্ছে
दिल छू गया
नहीं देखो रेजोनेट क्या हो गया ना रेजोनेट इज द एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग इज अगर जैसे कोई जैसे आपने कभी किसी का भाषण सुना है स्पीच कभी
स्पीच मतलब इतना मीनिंगफुल इफेक्ट आना चाहिए उसका ऑडियंस को
कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता हम मतलब वहां से
I resonate with you.
Impressed by the speech. Ma'am, am I correct?
Yes.
Ma'am, I mean to say I am very impressed by his speech.
Yes, मन को अच्छा लगा.
Yes, absolutely right.
You can say मन को अच्छा लगा मतलब नहीं मेरा मतलब I want to say कि कभी कोई मतलब आप कोई जैसे कोई स्पीच दे रहा हो या कोई आप गाने देख रहे हो या आप कुछ मूवी में कोई
I am also spellbound.
वो इतना मतलब इतना वो पर्सनली वो अटैच होता है ना कि कभी कभी देखो कोई गाना सुनो ना सॉन्ग सुनो तो आपके हाथों के मतलब वो रोए खड़े जाते मतलब बहुत अंदर से आपको हैप्पीनेस फीलिंग आ जाती है तो वो जो इफेक्टिवनेस है ना वो फीलिंग है ना वो आपसे संबंधित उतना मतलब पर्सनली वो अटैच हो जाए
Ma'am, actually, I mean to say I was totally spellbound to that.
You are totally?
I am at this moment when I hearing that music, I am totally spellbound to by dad's music or that speech.
You can say dear.
Am I right, ma'am?
Resonate the meaning is this ना कि आप उसे किसी भी वर्ड को या कोई भी चीज को आप रेजोनेट करो यानी अपने से इतने अच्छे से वो अटैच हो अपने लाइफ से अपने एक्सपीरियंस से कि मतलब उस रेजोनेट का मतलब ये होता है फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन सी
I resonate with you.
I resonate with you for what?
The audience speech.
For any emotion thing.
Learn more vocabulary session.
I resonate with your mention point.
Yes.
I resonate with your mention point.
I resonate with your mention point. That is not exact.
Ma'am, I
can. It is not exact meaning. Asha, first part. Read these sentences, then it will be more clear. Verb first.
Speech resonate with the audience.
Speech resonate with the audience.
उसका जो स्पीच था ऐसा था कि वो ऑडियंस के दिल को छुआ.
Yes.
यानी कोई बंदा उठ के जाना नहीं चाह रहा था उसके स्पीच में से.
Yes. No one can lift that place.
मतलब वो आपको अटैच कर रहा था, उसके एक एक शब्द, उसके एक एक वर्ड्स अटैच कर रहे थे
Sometimes
आपको।
we resonate with some song.
Ma'am, Arijit Singh
Sometimes
songs are
we
resonated
resonate
with.
with.
अच्छा, first listen to me. तो as a verb you can use resonate. Okay, तो her speech resonated with the audience.
अच्छा, her speech resonated with the audience.
Ma'am,
Now,
actually, ma'am, I'm telling you too, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am. Ma'am, it can say that I was resonate by her speech.
I was resonate नहीं होगा, I was resonated होगा,
I mean to say
because you
passive
use
form.
passive sentence here.
Passive sentence. I was resonated by her speech.
Yes, yes, right.
Sometimes we resonate with some song.
Yes,
It
this
means
song is resonated with my
of
past
words.
time या मतलब जो भी life. Whenever I listen this song, so you can say something like this. You can add this word and frame this sentence.
And ma'am, what is cell bound? Somebody says.
Yes.
Well
Then
bound.
may I try now?
Ma'am,
Yes.
just a minute, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I'm telling to you, ma'am. Just
Give
spellbound
other
resonate
to
the
give
same
other.
meaning.
Who is
Ma'am,
saying first? Tell me.
Can I hear
Naveen.
you?
Yes, ma'am. Resonance, I thought resonance means, resonated means the power of words. मतलब how much power in our words we can impress audience.
Yes.
अच्छा, आप अगर पावर ऑफ वर्ड्स से इसको अगर आप ऐड करते हो, हाँ यू कैन से, तो वो पावर ही तो है, दैट इज द पावर ही तो है जो आपको दिल को छू रहा है, तो मतलब वो आपके फीलिंग, नहीं यू कैन से ना फीलिंग इमोशनली अटैच कर रहा है.
Yes.
Not
Actually, it means to say the word resonates is a word which hits the mind.
Yes, hit the mind. Yes.
Mind
and overall of my soul.
Yes.
You can say.
Ma'am, may I make now?
Yes,
ma'am. Ma'am, I resonated by Rakhi ma'am's podcast of Bhagavad Gita.
Why? अच्छा, why you are speaking this? बताओ. Tell me.
Ma'am, the words touched my heart. That's why.
नहीं, अब देखो आपने बोला yes, good, great. The words attached.
Yes, touched my heart.
Attached with my heart. So that
yes,
words, her words are resonated with my heart.
Yes.
You can use that word. पहले आपने सिंपल सेंटेंस को फ्रेम किया, अब आप देखो उस अटैच को हम किससे रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. Why I'm saying at the end of the session I'm telling you. Don't worry. Why हम क्यों ऐसा बोल रहे हैं मैं आपको बताऊंगी सेशन के लास्ट में. Okay?
Resonance, effect of word.
Effect.
You can use the.
When you use as a noun, those something it will change. Na? The resonance of his word stayed with me.
Yes.
समझ रहे हो भाई? अच्छा, जैसे हमने I was asking ना what is the difference between succeed and success. I'm not giving you exact. So dear,
impressive way to speak.
Succeed is a सफल होना. Are you getting my point? सफल होना as a verb. Success is a noun. सफलता. तो आप देख रहे हो इसके मीनिंग थोड़े से चेंज हो रहे हैं, डिफरेंट हो रहे हैं. हो रहे हैं ना? When you make the sentence with the succeed and the success, तो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होगा, उसके मीनिंग्स में आएंगे. तो likewise resonated and resonance something as a noun when you use, so you can see here na the resonance of his word, the resonance of that picture, the resonance of that story. When I listen to them, the resonance of this story always gets emotional to me. Yes.
Ma'am, may I say something?
Yes.
Actually, I do feel that resonance means actually when our frequency and vibes and क्या बोले उसको essence of something which is matching with us, which somebody else, then we should say, we may say that we are in resonant,
dear,
but we are in presence.
I'm
Frequency
saying
matching. When
तो-
frequency and vibes are matching.
हाँ, तो वो अगर when frequency and voice that it will be matching,
Essence.
तो वो किस लेवल पे आपको अटैच कर रहा है, मुझे आप ये बताओ. तो वही तो मैं
हाँ.
बोल रही. That's why I'm saying.
किस लेवल पे
can I try now?
Ma'am, may I try?
Yes. Try. Tell me.
The resolution of Buddha's knowledge makes me calm and peaceful.
Achha, you are framing the sentence. Okay. Now, if who is saying there's something confusion, na? That's why I'm asking. Those
Rohini.
persons.
Can
Achha,
I try
Rohini.
now?
Yes.
I will frame sentence now.
Yes, you are framing a sentence.
Yeah.
अच्छा, पहले तो आपने as an adjective when you use his message had a resonant impact. Now, what is the meaning of this? Now you tell me. Resonant.
His
Resonant impact दिया. आप देख रहे हो?
उसके मैसेज नहीं.
आप मतलब ये जो रेजोनेंट है ना, रेजोनेट, अब जो रेजोनेट जो वर्ड है, कहते नहीं है किसी एक वर्ड का पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट भी होता है और नेगेटिव. तो ये जो रेजोनेट का जो इफेक्ट है वो पॉजिटिव वे में ही है.
हाँ, yes.
प्रोग्रेसिव.
आप किसी भी पिक्चर से अटैच होते हो, किसी के स्पीच से अटैच होते हो, किसी की स्टोरी से अटैच होते हो, तो इट विल बी द पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट, नॉट अ निगेटिव इफेक्ट होगा. आप ये शॉर्ट में आप इसको समझो.
That effect or the power of resonate
इमोशनली
is
भी आप किसी से अटैच हो रहे हो, समझ लो. अगर मैंने बोला ना स्टार्टिंग में, इमोशनली व्हेन यू, मतलब आपके इमोशनल लेवल को टच करता है वो चीजें. अगर आप इमोशनली भी अटैच हो रहे हो तो वो निगेटिविटी में नहीं जा रहा, वो डिप्रेशन में नहीं जा रहा, वो आपको एक मोटिवेशनल वो दे रहा है. मोटिवेशनल क्या?
Ma'am, one sentence regarding this.
हाँ, yes, tell me.
I am very impressed of Barack Obama due to his resonant speech.
Yes, who is saying?
Hi, Gagan.
Adjective में madam, you have a resonant voice. And in verb form, your words resonated with my feelings in verb form. Yeah.
Great. Narendra, you want
Yes,
to?
madam.
You want
Yes.
to? Yes.
Yes. Can I say something? Okay. Mr. Narendra Modi's speech was hope of message of hope really resonated with the people or audience.
Yes. इमोशनली टच करते हैं, और वो जो
Yes.
इमोशनली जो टच भी होता है वो फेक टच नहीं होता. दैट इज अ प्रोग्रेसिव टच. तभी तो सब लोग उनको सुनने के लिए भी बैठ जाते हैं. Yes. अच्छा, why Kishan, Shashi Shekhar, Shehal, advocate, why everyone is just switching off your camera, dear? You don't want to interact? My session is not good.
No, ma'am. We are very enjoying to.
Everyone, please give your feedback.
Can I try, ma'am? Can I try now?
I want to see everyone feedback in our group also. So why you are yes, Kirti, frame the sentence on resonate, please. We have 10.
Yeah.
Okay. Only with two words are there now. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, last week I gave you the any feedback.
Ma'am, can I try now?
Who is saying? Kapil? So last week you sent the feedback. This week you never want to send the feedback. You don't want? It will be na.
Ujjwal says, ma'am.
Yes. At the end of the session, Kapil, not this time. After ending the session. Yes, yes.
Can I try now, ma'am?
We have
Ma'am,
now 3 words. Okay, 3 verb also. Shubrata, you want to frame the sentence?
Ma'am, I want to frame a sentence.
Who?
Kapil.
Yes, Kapil. Yes.
Once upon a time, my mentor guided me. His words resonated with me.
Hello.
बस वो once एक ही बार था.
No, ma'am.
Resonate is power of word that affect audience positively.
Yes. Yeah. Yes, Kirti,
May I
please
try,
make the
ma'am?
sentence here. Don't wait.
Yes.
When ma'am is calling, then I will make. No. If you
Okay.
are framing sentence, then tell me. Yes, ma'am. I want to say.
Lata Mangeshkar voice
Okay.
is resonate to
Songs.
audience, every people's hearts.
Yes.
Am I correct, ma'am?
लता मंगेशकर के जो सॉन्ग्स होते हैं, how
Ma'am, may I?
Resonated to audience.
To every audience. Yes.
Every audience.
You can say we had you to audience also. Aruna, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Lata Mangeshkar's leverage singing songs resonate me emotionally.
Right? Great. उन्होंने 2 वर्ड्स को एक साथ ही कर लिया, 2 वर्ड को. Great. ऐसा. Yes, who is Lakshmi?
The resonance of what is affecting all the word badly.
The resonance
Of war.
of war. Yes.
Of war is affecting all the world badly.
Yes, right. Kishan, are you
Ma'am.
getting Sashi Shekhar?
Yes, ma'am. Her word deeply resonated with me.
Her words के बाद क्या बोला आपने?
Deeply resonated with me.
See, अब आप ये बताओ, deeply and resonated. Resonated also it is a represent.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. आपको लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे deeply होना it is a right?
No.
Anyone, everyone please tell me.
Resonate is only very powerful.
Yes, that is a powerful words. You never
Yes.
you don't use na deeply. When you deeply, then you don't use resonate.
Resonate. Deeply impressive me.
जो ये resonate का ही है ना, तो ये positive, ये deeply आपको इफेक्ट करता है. Resonate का अर्थ है.
Ma'am, resonate is power of word that affect audience positively.
Yes, positively.
Yes.
Okay, positively. चाहे वो emotionally level हो. Emotionally. Yes. Tell me.
Not a negative way.
उज्जवल, not a negative. इस वर्ड्स का नेगेटिव नहीं है. Okay. It is not. You can't.
तो मैम
never
कोई
use
चीज
as a
आपको
negative.
नेगेटिवली कनेक्ट करती है उसको क्या कहेंगे हम?
अभी तो पॉजिटिव देख लो यार. अभी तो आप आज के भाई को याद कर लो.
मैम जस्ट क्यूरियोसिटी आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स.
बता
दो कोई चीज हमको नेगेटिवली कनेक्ट करती है तो उसे हम क्या कहेंगे?
आप बताओ किस वे में नेगेटिविटी कनेक्ट करनी है, मतलब नेगेटिवली आप ले रहे हो.
नेगेटिवली मतलब मुझे तो ऐसा क्वेश्चन
if you
हुआ.
want to देखो, if you want to say something to framing the sentence, then tell me. Then it will be more clear to you and to other person.
How many words you will give us today?
5, dear. 5. And 5 verbs are very, very powerful. And that is a very familiar, that is a very resonated to your daily life conversation. आप समझ लो.
Now this is 10:16.
पांचों जो verb हैं, that is a very, very powerful. Dear. You should have to use in your surrounding. Okay. Yes. So our Adverb, when you use as an adverb resonantly, she spoke resonantly about her struggles.
Yes. Next word.
Whenever you are going to and asking for any struggling person, if you are talking to any struggling person, though when he speak to you, तो उनका बोल तो वो कैसा लगता है आपको जब वो बोलते हैं, जब अपने फीलिंग को जब वो बताते हैं तो अपने स्ट्रगल लाइफ को, तभी आपने फील किया उनके जो उनके जो वर्ड्स निकलते हैं ना उनसे, वो आपको फील होंगे। ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि वो बस मुंह से बोल रहे हैं।
Ma'am,
Yes.
Raghav Chadda resonantly spoke about public opinions.
अच्छा, जैसे अभिजीत दास, अभी किसका नाम लिया था किसी सिंगर का?
लता मंगेशकर।
नहीं, एक अभिजीत दास नाम लिया था, अभी इसमें बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है।
अरिजीत।
हाँ, सॉरी। तो अभी someone was speaking ना, एथेलोनी।
Yes.
हाँ, you want to say? Ujjwal, you want to say?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I mean to say the employee was trying continuously to elaborate in his position.
In his position.
Position.
Okay, but you have to frame the sentence resonate.
Lift to a higher position.
Ma'am, I have already given to you.
Acha, okay. Then it's okay, dear. Then it's okay. Acha, now read this one, Ujjwal.
Elevate.
Elevate to. Ma'am, elevate.
Yes.
Elevate.
Elevate. So I can say the employee was gradually trying to elevate his position.
Yes. Okay. Wait. First read this. What is the meaning of elevate?
To raise or lift to a higher position.
Position. To raise and lift to higher position.
So I am saying this. The employee was trying to elevate his position.
Yes, right.
We have
Is a noun.
to more in our life.
Snehi, what is the pronunciation? Snehal. Okay. Your spelling is something different, na? Snehal. That's why.
Yes,
right.
Snehal, please read this as a noun. As a noun, जब आप use करते हो.
His elevation in rank was well deserved.
मैम इस वर्ड का एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग क्या होगा एलिवेट का?
Was well deserved. Okay. His elevation.
Noise.
Don't be right. I'm sending the
our elevation in our life.
Okay.
Our elevation in our life will define our future.
Wow, great.
Ma'am, I think it is low, right?
Yes, right. As an adjective, when you use it, as an elevated
But I am getting low.
Preeti ma'am, can you mute all first? Good evening, everyone. Naturally, Neha ma'am here. Good evening.
Good evening,
ma'am.
Wonderful
Preeti
evening.
ma'am, please mute everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So mute all. You have a mute all option, Preeti ma'am. Please switch on that mute all. सबको mute करिए पहले. It's a lot of disturbance in class because none of them are muted. Mute all, please, Preeti ma'am. Preeti ma'am, are you?
Just end to near to end. Within 10 or.
Are you able to hear me, Preeti? Okay, Preeti Srivastava ma'am, I think you are on mute. Unmute yourself. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Others, if you are speaking something, you are unmuted. So everybody is speaking, you cannot hear Preeti ma'am. So please only unmute when it's required. Else it's difficult for the trainer also to take your class. Right? This is not how a class goes. Ujjwal, you.
Now start. Yes. Special medium.
Good communication can elevate your personality.
Wow. Yes. Great. Yes. Yes, Naveen.
May I? Ma'am?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
speaking.
Snehal.
After I was getting B.Ed degree, I elevated from primary level teacher to secondary level teacher.
Is elevation in rank.
Ethel, you
Correct?
want your voice
Yes.
is speaking, huh? That's why. What you
Yes. After I was getting B.Ed degree,
okay?
I elevated from primary level teacher to secondary level teacher.
Wow. Yes.
Ma'am,
Great.
what is the difference between elevation or elevate?
Yes.
Elevation or elevate, what is the difference? Elevation and elevate.
Who will explain? Elevate, you can use, I will give you one words. What that
Yeah.
word? Elevate. What is
Elevate.
a? Elevate.
Elevate. Yeah, we
When
know
you
elevate
use,
means utna, to lift.
yes.
Mhm. Okay. Elevation is the outer surface of
Elevation is out of surface.
building. Elevation is so beautiful.
Yes.
You're
Actually,
building.
I also hear that word in my interior designing course, elevation.
Elevation. Yes, Nehal. What are you saying, dear?
In interior designing course, I hear this word so many times, elevation. Means
Yes.
the surface or outline of the something.
Yes, right.
Means
And what is a ma'am?
ele-
Elevate as a verb you can use, and
means
elevation
a
is a
raise.
noun you can see, easily. So what do you, what are you asking? Who is asking what is the difference between elevate and elevation? Yes. Now, are you getting?
मैम एलिवेट
हाँ,
वर्ब में है और
हाँ
एलिवेशन नाउन में होता है मैम.
नहीं, वो तो ठीक है, वो तो मुझे ही पता है, मतलब जो जिन्होंने पूछा उनका क्लियर हुआ.
no, I know Taj Mahal elevation is very beautiful.
I what? I know
Taj Mahal elevation is very beautiful.
Taj Mahal elevation is a very beautiful. Yes.
Elevation of Taj Mahal is very beautiful.
Elevation is
Elevation.
yes.
We
As a,
have
when you
to
use as an adjective,
elevate.
he has an elevated sense of style.
Elevated sense.
Okay, now got it? Yes.
4 is 5.
Can I try?
Fourth one. Read.
Pivot.
Pivot.
Read one, please.
Central point or turning
Nirmala.
moment.
Everyone. Falguni. Everyone.
Pivot.
Pivot. No.
Yeah, pivot.
Pivot.
Who is saying pivot? Pivot.
I am saying.
Yes. Pivot.
I use pivot table in Excel.
एक second, Snehal. What are your pronunciation? Please again.
What will be pivot?
Pivot. Pivot नहीं. Pivot.
Pivot.
Okay. Pivot. What is the meaning of pivot? A central
Central
point.
point of
Turning
turning.
moment. Turning moment. Central point. Now, see, look at this. Yes. As a
The
word.
company had to pivot its
It's
strategy.
strategy.
The business made a crucial
तो वो
pivot.
changing होता है ना, अभी मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, otherwise I can see. जो चार्जेबल जो होता है ना लैम्प, जो हमें ऐसे ऐसे टर्निंग करते, फिजिकली आई कैन शो यू, बट नो वी हैव नो दैट टाइम. तो पीवर्ड क्या होता है? चेंज. जो पॉइंट सेंट्रल पॉइंट होता है ना, चेंजिंग का. अचानक.
Where should I go to take left, to take right, to take straight?
Turning.
Okay. Yes.
The company had to pivot.
Okay.
Use pivot table in Excel to pivot all sales numbers.
Yes, dear. Yes. Falguni, read this, dear. As a noun, can you use as a noun pivot? Impeccable. student.
Most teachers had to pivot to online classes during the summer vacation.
Yes, right? In a summer vacation, other, and in a working days.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, when COVID is going on and lockdown has imposed everywhere, so some company has pivoted their way of run, way of
Pivot?
or working style. When lockdown
Okay. Now,
going
as an
on
adjective.
and companies has.
May I tell you, ma'am?
Wait a second. Please not
Ma'am, may I tell
break
you?
your sentences because we have 10:30. Okay.
Ma'am, may I tell
So
you?
we have a less time. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, the Rohit Sharma, when the Rohit Sharma was out in the match, it was the pivot of the tournament. Pivot of that match.
Pivot?
When Rohit
No, I
Sharma,
can. Okay.
when Rohit Sharma was out,
Huh?
it was the pivot of the match.
It was the pivot.
Pivot
पहले
of the match.
pivot पहले नहीं होगा, pivot होगा. Okay. Pivot first. Okay.
Pivot of the match.
Yes. That is the
Is it
pivot
correct, ma'am?
strategy. That is a pivot strategy. You can also change this type of sentences. Okay. Yes, Kirti, you want to frame the sentence? Otherwise, we move.
The business.
Yes. Yes.
India
As
had
an
made a
adjective,
pivot.
pivotal approaches help them adopt strategic important approach जो उसका था. Okay. By जो turning point है, that is the important decision.
Turning point. Yes.
आप समझो, there is a turning point. That is the important decision. Okay.
That means I mean to say when Rahul was out, it was pivot of the match.
During the crisis.
Pivot
Can I
of the
try
match.
now?
आपका last sentence of what you want to say. So ये pivot of the match. That is the important
Turning
change.
point. That is turning point.
Yes.
Turning point.
That is the yes. That is the turning point of that matches. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, can I try?
Adverb. If now who can read this adverb as a use when you use? Sarika, read this adverb. As a adverb when you use, what is the sentence?
Ma'am, he changed his opinion pivotally in the debate.
Okay.
Change their views and change their views immediately. And
yes.
Madam, how much now? What time we will finish?
Yes. Yes,
What
Ujjwal,
time?
you want to say? Who is speaking?
No, we're not.
Yes, adverb. Now, our last and more powerful verb. That is a Ujjwal. Read this one, dear.
This is anchor, a source of stability or support.
Anchor.
Kishan, read this one.
Ma'am, I cannot read.
I cannot read.
Yes, because I'm visually challenged.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, no
Okay,
worry, ma'am.
Okay.
The source of
So
stability or support.
Kishan, you want to only listen? You want to only listen? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
can only listen.
Okay, then it's okay. So anchor. Anchor. What is the meaning of anchor? A source of stability and support. As a verb, when you use this word, then you she anchored the audience. She anchored the audience.
Audience.
Okay.
Glued. What is the meaning of glued?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, some disturbance is coming, so ma'am, I want to leave this meeting today.
Some disturbance. What is?
So
who is saying?
from my side, disturbance is coming, and that will be effect on you. So I want to leave this.
Okay, okay. That is the last word, dear Ujjwal. That is the last word here. Okay, then you can notice it. Okay. What is the anchor? So you have to frame the ones. I'm sending the video also, dear. Okay. So frame the video, yeah, framing the sentences and send it to your
Ship anchored on the port.
Yes, dear.
Ship anchored on the port.
Ship.
Yes, jahaj. Ship anchored on the port.
Ship anchored on the boat means
on the port, bandargah. P-O-R-T.
Port.
To the port. Sorry.
To the port.
Yes. That's why I'm a little bit confused now. Yes. Now. जो जोड़ता है ना, मतलब she anchored the audience. उसने audience को जोड़ के रखा, जोड़ा. जोड़ने का मतलब सेंस क्या हो गया? अटैच रखा. समझ रहे हो? Okay. फिर as a noun when you use, he is the anchor of the team. अब आप देखो एंकर को ही आप कैसे कैसे यूज कर सकते हो. See, he is the anchor of the
Manish
team.
Paul is a good
मतलब anchor means important person.
Important person.
Yes. Could you frame as a noun? Could you frame the sentence as a noun, dear? Anchor को आप कोई एक sentence बना सकते.
He is the anchor of the team.
Yes, yes.
He is the anchor of the team. I was the anchor for my installation ceremony in Rotary Club.
Yes. Yes.
Manish Paul is the good anchor of the all.
Yes.
Manish Paul is the good anchor of the all film frame award.
Yes. You can use like this. अच्छा, अभी इससे पहले आप किसी को अगर important बोलना चाहते थे तो आप कैसे बोलते थे? He is a special person. Okay. They are the special person.
Nice
okay.
person.
Now
good
you have
person.
to replace that word as an anchor.
Anchor.
When you have to feel to someone special, then which word you have to use? Now tell me.
Yes.
Anchor.
My mother and fathers are anchored of my life.
My mother and
Father.
yes.
No.
You आपको mother and father, why you are take the name by one by one? You can say na my parents.
No. We can say like that. Mother and father
Yes,
is the
my
anchor of the family.
Yes. Anchor. No. She is saying na for her. वो अपने लिए बता रही है.
अच्छा, ओके.
उन्होंने अपने लिए बताया ना. सबके लिए जरूरी नहीं है ना. Maybe someone is father is the anchor of the anchor to him.
My father meant me.
Okay. So if you चलो मैं एक situation देती हूँ. If you are celebrating a festival, if someone is coming and told you, "Hey sir, now I have to leave. I have to go for the urgent work." तो अब आपको उनको रोकना भी है, कुछ उन्हें बटर मतलब मक्खन भी लगाना है, तो how could you say to him? कैसे कहोगे आप उन्हें?
Sir, you are the anchor of the
anchor of
team.
this night.
You are the
anchor of the night.
You are the anchor of my party.
Yeah.
You are anchor of this party. You are anchor of this
You are
marriage
anchor of my part.
ceremony. How could you leave
Can I try, ma'am?
so early? Yes. This
My
type of
parent.
explanation you have to frame in your daily conversation.
Ma'am,
Yes.
with your kind permission, I am leaving the session. Actually, it's too
No.
late.
I'm ending the session. Don't worry. Bye. wait.
Ma,
I'm giving, please see the yes. I'm not taking so much time here because it's 10:30. Okay, yes. So yes, so you can use
So what?
you can
10:30.
use anchor as a noun. So don't be forget here. Don't forget anchor. It is very important. Likewise, choose any 2 या 3 verb आज के उसमें से, ठीक है, और यूज करिएगा
Okay,
डेली
ma'am.
कन्वर्सेशन में. His anchored mindset kept him focused. इसका फोकस जो माइंडसेट था. Okay, yes. Now this is your today's topic. I want to anchor my goal. I want to anchor my goal. What is the meaning of this line? Now tell me. What is the meaning of? First, Shubhrata, tell me. I want to anchor my goal.
मेरे गोल के लिए कोई अच्छा एंकर चाहिए.
Yes, yes.
Here तो anchor means मुझे लगता है actually I want to achieve my
मेरे
goal.
गोल के लिए
यहाँ
I
पे
want
एक
to
पर्सन क्या
anchor
है?
my goal.
इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन. फोकस.
Goal.
Focused person.
क्या होगा? फोकस पर्सन होगा ना.
I
That is a
want
big
it.
goal. So
Yes.
I
अपने
am
गोल के
saying
लिए फोकस है. He is
yes.
focused for his goal.